The F-22 Raptor represents the peak of American aerospace technology, a fighter jet designed not only to dominate the skies but to redefine what air superiority means in modern warfare. Built by Lockheed Martin, in collaboration with Boeing and powered by Pratt & Whitney engines, this fifth-generation stealth fighter stands as a symbol of U.S. military power and engineering excellence. The story of the F-22 begins with the need for a fighter that could maintain air dominance against any potential adversary, combining stealth, speed, agility, and precision in one platform that could outperform anything that came before it. The result is a machine so advanced that even decades after its introduction, few aircraft in the world can rival its capabilities. From the outside, the F-22 looks like something from the future. Its sharp angles, sleek lines, and radar-absorbing materials make it almost invisible to radar detection systems. The airframe is carefully sculpted to minimize its radar cross-section, allowing it to sneak deep into enemy airspace undetected. Every part of the design serves a purpose. Even the weapons are stored internally, hidden within the fuselage until the pilot is ready to strike. This design choice reduces drag and radar signature, allowing the jet to maintain speed and stealth simultaneously. Its twin engines, each equipped with thrust vectoring nozzles, give the aircraft unmatched maneuverability, allowing it to perform tight turns, sudden climbs, and evasive rolls that few aircraft can match. The cockpit of the F-22 is another marvel of technology. The pilot sits surrounded by advanced digital displays that provide a real-time overview of everything happening in the air and on the ground. Data from radar, sensors, and communication systems are fused together into a single, clear picture, so the pilot never has to guess what's going on. This kind of situational awareness gives the F-22 an enormous tactical advantage. The pilot can see enemy aircraft long before being detected and can engage from a position of complete control. The jet's advanced radar system, the AN/APG-77, allows it to track multiple targets at long range while remaining almost invisible on enemy radars. It can detect threats, prioritize them, and engage without the pilot having to switch modes or systems manually. When it comes to performance, the F-22 sets a standard few can reach. It can reach speeds above Mach 2, meaning it can travel at more than twice the speed of sound, and what's more impressive is that it can sustain supersonic flight without using afterburners, a capability known as supercruise. This gives it a major fuel efficiency and range advantage in combat. Its service ceiling is about 65,000 feet, allowing it to fly high above most threats and survey the battlefield from an unmatched position. In dogfights, the combination of speed, stealth, and thrust vectoring makes it almost unbeatable. The jet can outearn, outclimb, and outmaneuver nearly any opponent, allowing it to strike with precision and retreat before the enemy can react. Inside its weapons bays, the F-22 carries a deadly mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground ordnance. Its standard loadout includes AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for aerial combat, and it also has a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon for close engagements. For ground missions, it can carry smart bombs like JDAMs and small-diameter bombs. However, the real power of the F-22 is not in how many weapons it carries but in how effectively it can use them. Its systems are so precise that it rarely needs more than one strike to neutralize a target. The aircraft's targeting systems, navigation, and electronic warfare capabilities allow it to operate in any weather and under the most demanding conditions. In training exercises, the F-22 has repeatedly proven its dominance. Reports have shown simulated kill ratios as high as 144-0 in favor of the Raptor during mock combat scenarios. These results come not just from its raw speed or stealth, but from the integration of its systems and the skill of its pilots. The aircraft was designed to ensure that the pilot's workload is minimized, letting them focus entirely on tactics and decision-making. In combat simulations, opposing pilots often report that they never even saw the F-22 on their radar before being shot down. This level of invisibility and speed gives the Raptor near total control of the engagement. The jet's construction involves advanced composite materials that make it both lightweight and strong. These materials help maintain stealth characteristics while ensuring the structure can withstand extreme flight stresses. Maintenance of the stealth coating is complex and costly, which is one reason the aircraft's production was eventually limited. The United States initially planned to build over 700 Raptors, but due to budget cuts and changing defense strategies, only about 187 were produced for active service. Despite this small number, their impact on global air combat strategy has been enormous. Other nations, including Russia and China, have since worked to develop fifth-generation fighters to challenge the F-22, such as the Su-57 and J-20, but most analysts agree that the Raptor still holds the edge in stealth, avionics, and combat performance. Another unique aspect of the F-22 is its ability to act as both a hunter and a sensor platform. It doesn't just destroy enemy aircraft, it also collects intelligence and shares data across the battlefield. This makes it a key component of the United States network-centric warfare strategy. It can coordinate with other fighters, drones, and even naval vessels, giving commanders a complete picture of what's happening in the sky. The aircraft's communications systems are highly encrypted and resistant to jamming, ensuring secure data sharing in hostile environments. The pilot experience inside the Raptor is equally advanced. The cockpit uses a glass display interface that integrates flight data, radar images, and targeting information into one easy-to-read format. The helmet and suit systems are designed for high-G maneuvers, keeping the pilot safe and comfortable even during extreme aerial combat. Every detail, from the seat positioning to the control stick sensitivity, was optimized through years of testing and feedback from experienced pilots. The jet almost feels like an extension of the pilot's body, responding instantly to every movement. The F-22's operational use has been limited, not because it lacks capability, but because it's a strategic asset. The U.S. Air Force has kept the Raptor mostly out of direct conflict, using it primarily for deterrence and critical missions where stealth is essential. When it was deployed in Syria for the first time, it demonstrated how easily it could strike high-value targets while remaining undetected. The jet's precision, combined with its stealth, ensures that it can enter contested airspace, complete its mission, and exit without ever being challenged. Over the years, the Raptor has also served as a testbed for future technologies. Many of the systems developed for it have influenced later aircraft, including the F-35 Lightning II. However, while the F-35 is a multi-role fighter designed for affordability and versatility, the F-22 remains the ultimate air superiority machine. Its focus is singular: to dominate the air and destroy any opponent before they have a chance to respond. Even today, almost 20 years after entering service, the Raptor continues to evolve with new software updates, radar upgrades, and weapon integrations. The aircraft is not without its challenges. Its cost per unit exceeded $150 million, and maintenance expenses are high due to its specialized coatings and complex systems. Despite these costs, the F-22's value lies in its deterrence power. Potential adversaries know that facing the Raptor means facing near certain defeat in the skies. Its presence alone changes how other air forces plan and operate. That psychological impact, combined with its proven combat record, ensures its place as one of the most respected and feared aircraft ever built. In essence, the F-22 Raptor is more than just a fighter jet, it is a technological masterpiece that embodies the United States' commitment to maintaining aerial supremacy. It blends stealth, power, and intelligence into a seamless platform that gives its pilots unmatched confidence and control. Every time it takes off, it represents decades of research, innovation, and precision engineering. Whether soaring silently above the clouds or streaking past at supersonic speeds, the F-22 remains a living symbol of American dominance in the skies. Even as new generations of aircraft emerge, the Raptor will continue to inspire awe, respect, and ambition in the world of aviation. It stands as a reminder that true air superiority is not just about speed or firepower but about mastering the art of invisibility, awareness, and precision. The F-22 has done that like no other aircraft before or since.